was like, yes it is.
Oh nee, hier is ons so lekker wyn.
Start of the hike.
My taxi is not gonna last very long.
My vrou is slim, sien jy? Skree al jare lank op haar. Sy stop onmiddellik en sit alles neer, alles skoon.
So we're finally starting the hike at 10ish.
Yeah, this is the first to start like this time. Why? I thought, oh goodness, if everyone's going to take off their shoes and on now the whole time, we're going to walk at 12 o'clock.
Here the hike starts.
The moment something
Hear the water pump?
It's like,
At Greyton Nature Reserve. And as all hikes go, we're definitely going to head up this little mountain, hill, rock, what do you want to call it. And then from there onwards, plenty more uphill.
Dis dit net so. Ek het af.
Miss Hockey Mat. Yes.
Sien al sê ek een keer minder poes vandag.
Take it like you own it.
Doing very well.
Here they are.
The view back to the town. The first major stop for the day, we're at Breakfast Rock. Some other hikers on the trail, and the rest of our party coming up. Well, it seems to be the end of the 4x4 trail in the distance. That's where the single track starts. And the view looking back. Well, we're at the end of the 4x4 track. Single track starting, and we're heading, I don't know if you can see in the distance where the trees are. That's our overnight stop. So it's quite a way to go still.
Jy doen maar sê kan neem albei. Baie mooi, 'n bietjie waterval aan.
Ja, daar het so afgelei.
The lunch stop. Probably one of the highlights of the hike as well. Oh, if not the highlight of the hike. Let's say enough lunch. And it looks like we're having some weather coming in. You're back on the waterfall. Die pavie is nie so opgaan. Gosh. Looking back, we're almost on top. A nasty little uphill, right at the end. There's the huts in the distance. And the trees we saw from way back.
Wat het spesiaal?
Is die water nie koud nie?
Dit is my dieselfde as wat dit syne was. Ek moes nou vinnig gaan. Ek het hier opgebreek of iets. Dan net die warmkraan oop en jy vis koud.
Karen!
Haar derde bottel rooiwyn oopgemaak en begin drink. Toe sê Vanus vir haar asseblief hou nou op. Sy het daai aand
Morning of day 2. Some rain is expected, but it looks like it's still a way off.
Come, Mama!
Another beautiful day. Today we're taking the scenic route back down as we came up with the other route. path winding down. And we're heading there to the little neck in the distance. There's some kind of plaque there in the cave, but it's been vandalized, so don't know what it says. Yeah, and this is where we take the left or the right turn, the historical or the scenic route. We came back on the scenic route today. The hardcore thing. And this dog just keeps following us. Back at the waterfall. Yeah, in summer we don't have all these waterfalls that we have here in the winter. Looking back, and we're in a fine little bit of rain. And almost there, or at the top of this hill anyway. We're back at Breakfast Rock in a time of 3 hours. And the dog's still following us. Almost there. We finally found the dog's owner. He's going to get dropped off at the police station. Right. Okay. Okay. The official start of the hike.